Okay, so if you have a house like this where you can't put a ramp because you're renting and you have stairs, you might wonder how to get this down there. This is Pride Victory 10, and it's a scooter, and I'm going to show you how we get this big humongous thing out here. So my husband's going to be the cameraman today. This is his. Uses it to get around. He can walk, but so far. So me and my son are going to take it out. There's my son. My glasses. Where are my glasses? Oh no, this will. I only have this in there now. Take the seat off. And something right here. And unplug the batteries. The batteries come out. These are gel batteries. Let's see here. They're pretty nice. Take this one out. Alright, back home and had to change my clothes and everything. It's crazy out there. Got some stuff on the floor too. Back here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I put this together. So make sure this is straight up right here, and the wheels are unlocked, and this is straight. And I'm just going to lift that up. I hope you're getting it.
You'll put it right here.
I'll lift it up. And as you can see, I wish I had my things. Hold on.
Yeah, alright. Here, sit down.
So there's these two bars right here to catch. Are you getting in on that? And you want to catch the green bars on those bars. They used to have a yellow sticker on there, but it wore off. So I'm going to move it in place, and I'm going to lock it so nobody, takes it anywhere. I have little ones. As soon as we get it. So I'll put this battery. I really want to show y'all how this goes. So pretty easy. Now I'm going to plug in this one. Okay, and it goes right in here. The white goes with the white, black goes with the black. White is red, black is black, which, black is ground, red's live, so you don't want to mix that up, but it's real easy when it's color coded. So then, now to strap these down, usually go over and tighten them up, but honestly, when I'm home, I usually don't strap it down. Now I'll put on the lid. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put the charger on. So this is a charger right here. We have this white cord. Sorry, it's a little tangled. I just want to show you the end of it. And then, oh my goodness, we have this one right here. So this, sorry, I'm filming with one hand. This goes in here. So now the plug's all in. And they have a nice little set of picture instructions. Which I hate. But I digress. Let's get this over with. So this just plugs in right in here. I don't know if you can see that or not. Sorry, the light's horrible. See, it sits in there like that. And of course, this other part I can get untangled, sorry. Goes right into the wall. 3-prong. Go back here. And it was taken out, sorry. My kids threw a random pillow. Okay, you see the light right there? That means it's charging. Actually, the solid light means it's charging. The blinking usually that stops after a couple seconds. So the blinking usually means that it's about to start, usually. But if it keeps blinking, that could be a problem. Might want to plug it back in. But so solid orange means it's charging, and the green means that it's done. Alright, that's it. That's how I get this humongous scooter outside without a ramp. And I am being called away. So, bye.